Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are very good. And today I would like to show you a very interesting thing, and which is how to add subtitle in any movie file to understand the language. And you know that there are many language movies are being produced day by day, and some of us really very fond of those, and we sometimes we don't know how to use subtitles, and we are very eager to find the subtitles that which is your language. You can find it very well manner. Okay, let's go. Today I would like to show you Korean movie subtitle, and many of us we don't know the Korean language. Those who speak or know the language, or is English or Spanish or something like that. This is a movie which is A Hard Day. Now I need to find the subtitle file of this. So for this I need to open Google and type the movie name. Yes, this is the movie, and the subtitle. Okay, subtitle. A Hard Day, YIFY subtitles. So this is the subtitle files very popular site. So okay, let's visit the site and find the English language. Okay, here is Bengali, Brazilian, Chinese, and many other language. So I need to select the English language now. Okay, here is the English language, and to download the file it would be very helpful if we download the subtitle file with the movie file. Here is the movie file in my PC, and if I copy this, it will get copied to the clipboard of the hard disk. And now download the subtitle. It's getting the request of the download, and if I paste and then save. Okay, here is the subtitle file, and it is a zip file, so I need to um, keep the main file, so that it would be very helpful for me to add the file. Okay, now open with a VLC media player, or you can use MPCHC player. So today I need to show you the VLC player, and most of them are using VLC player, and we use VLC player in our PC. That is very easy for us. Okay, let's open with the VLC player, and click the right button, and here is the option of subtitle, and then in drop down menu is open file. From the open file we can here is the subtitle file where we need to find it out. This is the movie file, and here is the subtitle file. Okay, let's rock now. This is here English has been added with another language. Now you can use the English, can get the English language. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.